night lived a shepherd pure and kind, with a heart as wide as high. He heard tales of shadows deep in the forest of wolves where dangers creep, but he never saw the fear until the day the truth was near. In the dark where shadows roam, a hero's courage finds its home. With the wolves they stand as one, facing darkness till the night is done. Fear to trust, the story's told, together strong, brave and bold. On a quiet mist, deep morn, the wolf spoke with a warning tone. Together we must fight the night, or all we love will fade from sight. Ian's heart was filled with doubt. Could he change what they talked about? With the wolves by his side, he faced the fear he couldn't hide. In the dark where shadows roam, a hero's courage finds its home. With the wolves they stand as one, facing darkness till the night is done. From fear to trust, the story's told, together strong, brave and bold. Brave and bold. Through the cold and chilling night, with torches high and spirits bright, they fought the shadow fierce and wild. Ilian's courage reconciled, from distrust to unity, they found the strength in harmony. A valley saved a bond so true, a lesson learned for me and you. In the dark where shadows roam, a hero's courage finds its home. With the wolves they stand as one, facing darkness till the night is done. From fear to trust, the story's told, together strong, brave and bold. Brave and bold. Now the forest sings of peace, where wolves and villagers find release. Ilian's tale of bravery is sung with pride for all to see. In a valley where hearts are free, together strong,